Do you work in Toronto and live in a suburb? Have you ever thought that every day you're wasting 2 to 3 hours stuck in traffic jams, traveling, and that 2 to 3 hours you might can spend with your loved ones, maybe with your partner, your kids, or maybe you can give that time to yourself, but when you can do some recreational activities. Have you ever thought that what is the main objective when you live outside Toronto and look for a bigger spaces? How about I can get you something here in Toronto which can fit into your budget, and you will also like that suburb kind of feeling and also like the luxuries of this place. I am introducing you 57 Brock, which is the major intersection is the Queen Street and Brock intersection, and this particular project is a beautiful project. In this project you will have all the luxuries which you are getting in the comfort of your home. You are less than 10 minutes away from Union Station. You're very close to entertainment district. You're surrounded with tons of restaurants. At this point, when you are seeing the Toronto prices are going $1,600 plus per square feet, I am bringing you a project which is less than $1,000 per square feet. Isn't it a steal? You will arrive in style and 24-hour concierge service will be at your door. You will enjoy your mornings and evenings in the beautiful rooftop social areas. You can do barbecue, have lots of fun. You can also go to gym, yoga room, everything gonna be in the same building. You will enjoy luxury living in spacious suites. You will have all the appliances, you will have quartz countertop, any upgrades you are imagining, everything gonna be there. Not only that, you are also getting up to $15,000 of credit on closing, plus you are also getting $10,000 discount on parking. This project comes with extended deposit structure as well as assignment clause. You will get your unit in 2021. This project could be for you or your family. Good projects always go really fast. Give me a call at 647-532-3000, 647-532-3000.